All right, so I am conducting an audio test. This is the Rode Wireless Go 2. I've had this microphone probably between 8 and 10 years, and I want to see which sounds better. I want to see if it sounds better with the Rode Wireless Go 2 or if it sounds better with the Insta360 Go Ultra. And I'm holding the Insta360 Go Ultra probably about 12 14 inches from my face. And of course, I'm holding the microphone much closer. So if I put the microphone right next to it and we'll do a test, testing 1, 2, 3, testing 1, 2, 3. And we'll do this, testing 1, 2, 3, testing 1, 2, 3. And this is the second part of the test. This is just the microphones on the Insta360 Go Ultra. Again, the Insta360 Go Ultra is approximately 12 to 14 inches from my face. And it's not a great face, but hey, y'all can deal with it. Anyway, so I think the audio is going to sound better with the microphone system built into the Insta360 Go Ultra, and I think that's going to be because of the onboard or built-in audio enhancement. So we'll see. So testing 1, 2, 3, testing 1, 2, 3. Again, testing 1, 2, 3, testing 1, 2, 3. Thank you.